I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
It sort of feels like the walls are tightening in around the world as governments are tightening their grip, and that's frustrating. And I also think it's also a poor long-term strategy. And I just want to bring up an idea from one of my favorite authors, Matt Ridley. He essentially studied, okay, all these different countries, what do they have in common? What produces good results? How does innovation come about, essentially? And, freedom of press, property rights, all this stuff. And he had this nice quote, which is, and I'll read it here: innovation is the child of freedom and the parent of prosperity. And so what that essentially means is more freedom equals more innovation equals more prosperity, right? So it's in that order, directly related in that order. And I was thinking about that. Okay, how does Bitcoin fit in? And Bitcoin's freedom money, right? It is a tool that enables individuals to have more freedom against anyone who would oppress them. And so I added on to this Bitcoin. It goes Bitcoin upstream, providing freedom, which provides innovation, which provides prosperity. And so I guess that's how I'm seeing this right now. And so it's not only like a nice thing to say, but it's also extremely practical. If you want your people to survive, if you want prosperity, you need free and open markets. And so as we watch the world tighten their fist, that might work in the short term, right? I think China can be efficient globally and make plays, but they don't produce any innovation. And so long term, that system eats itself. And so somewhere around the world, free people are going to congregate. They're going to create innovations due to the emergent desires within all of us. And we need to keep that spark of freedom alive.